Let's talk trash. Compactors, to be exact. You may think, what's to talk about? I push a button and the trash goes away. Yes, but there are important steps to take before, during, and after that must be followed to ensure you and your coworkers remain safe at work and return home safely. Let's begin. Trash compactors have the power to seriously injure or even kill an employee who isn't careful. In an effort to keep all Goodwill employees safe during operations, this video was created to assist you in the proper use of our machines. Any questions, modifications, or updates should be directed to the Safety and Security Office at 843-377-2836. OSHA regulations deem the employer responsible for operator training, safety operation, and maintenance of all trash compactors. Let's get to the rules. Rule number 1, age requirement. At no time will anyone below the age of 18 years old be allowed to operate Goodwill compactors. This is a federal law enforced by OSHA. Rule number 2, who can use a compactor? Only Goodwill employees who have been trained will be authorized to use our machines. This means no volunteers, no community service workers, CSEP worker, or anyone not employed by Goodwill may use the machine. Rule number 3, training. Employees must receive training before they are authorized to use the compactor. Training will be documented and kept on file. Rule number 4, key control. Compactor keys are to be removed after each use and stored in the manager's office to prevent use by unauthorized personnel. Only authorized operators will maintain custody of the keys. Rule number 5, repair and lockout tagout. At no time will a Goodwill employee attempt to repair, enter, or replace any broken part on the compactor. This task is reserved for our compactor vendor alone. However, there are employees who are trained and authorized to perform lockout-tagout procedures in our locations. This process is required if your compactor needs repair. This process is performed only by authorized employees of Goodwill or our compactor's vendor. If repair personnel are found not locking out equipment during maintenance or repair, they will be asked to stop work and a call will be made to their respective company. Inspection. Inspect the equipment regularly for correct operation of the controls and safety devices. Make sure all warning labels are in place and in good condition. If at any time the operator notices any part of the compactor is broken, they must notify their supervisor immediately and not operate the machine. The supervisor will have an authorized person lock out and tag out the compactor until repairs are made. Key steps to safe operations. Now, let's look at the proper steps we must take to safely operate the trash compactor. Before using a trash compactor, make sure you are wearing the proper personal protective equipment. Glove use is required while operating Goodwill trash compactors. Loading and cycling. First, we load the chute or hopper. Once the bin is full, we move to the control box and turn the key to the on position. Press the start or forward button. Wait for the compactor to cycle the material. The compactor will begin to compact the material automatically. After the cycle is complete, check the bin to ensure the material is gone. If not, repeat the process. At no time will anyone reach into, enter, or place any part of their body into any part of the compactor. Once cycled, no further action is required. Turn key to the off position and remove it, returning it to the manager's office. Basic rules: never overfill the container and never place flammable materials inside. Emergency actions: anytime your compactor malfunctions, notify your supervisor. If the situation results in being trapped by or in the compactor, causes a fire, or crushes an operator, dial 911 immediately. And that's it. Following these guidelines will keep you safe. And Keep your Goodwill location clean and tidy. Now, let's get to work.